Adobe Photoshop CC is a powerful, reliable, and advanced image editor for Windows PCs. The program lets you work with basic designs, complex 3D artwork, and simple retouches. Compared to Picasa, Photoscape, and Corel Painter, Adobe Photoshop is a much better choice. While certain aspects of the tool can be overwhelming for beginners, it comes with detailed tutorials to help you out. Within a short period of time, you can learn the tricks of the trade and continue to use Photoshop to create stunning visuals. Before continue, if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe. These help me to create more content. Thanks. Adobe Photoshop Download comes with extensive image and video editing tools and is compatible with Adobe Bridge, which is a solid multimedia manager. As such, it lets you organize the files properly and clean up your storage space. The intuitive interface allows you to conveniently drag the image's clips, set a timeline, and assemble visuals. Moreover, you can adjust color levels, add textures, work with alpha channels, and use various artistic filters to enhance the aesthetic appeal of your project. Adobe has always been known for building easy-to-use, feature-packed, and reliable products. Photoshop CC is no different in this regard. The customizable interface lets you choose from multiple workspace layouts. Depending on the project, you can work with painting, photography, graphic, web, 3D, and motion-inspired workspaces. Additionally, Photoshop Download for PC lets you create customized panels and windows in the main layout. As per your preferences, you can rearrange the toolbar buttons, making them easily accessible. The icons utilize a flat 2D style, making them easily visible while working with multiple images in one go. In order to access preset templates, you can click New Documents. Here, you get various options for layouts, including photo collage, texture geometric, instant film mockups, etc. From the top panel, you can access filters, which restricts the templates to art and illustration, website, photo, mobile, print, and film and video. With Adobe Photoshop CC, you can access presets, libraries, and recent files from the main page. This saves a good amount of time you'd have spent shuffling between multiple windows. At the bottom of the main page, customized tutorials are available to help you get started. In recent times, Adobe has started giving more importance to touch devices. Therefore, Photoshop for PC comes with support for touchscreen controls and gestures, making it easier to pan or zoom photos. With a simple 3-finger swipe, you can scroll through numerous images. A 2-finger swipe lets you undo selections. The program's gesture and touchscreen features can be easily customized from settings. Photoshop Download for PC supports a wide range of plugins, which add advanced functionalities to the program. With plugins, you can optimize the appearance of photos, add filters, work with extra layers, and correct certain aspects of the images. Due to the range of features, Photoshop has been the leading choice for artists, editors, content creators, and designers. Since it's backed by the giant, the program receives regular updates and bug fixes, making it an excellent choice for Windows 10 PCs. A lot of image adjustment tools in Adobe Photoshop CC can be used for basic video editing. For instance, you can consider exposure features, cropping tools, and multiple filters to edit animations and short video clips. With Photoshop for PC, you can also work with multi-tracking and keyframing. It's worth mentioning that Photoshop uses Premiere Pro Video Editor's powerful rendering engine. Thus, every video track uploaded to the program acts as a new layer, which can be conveniently adjusted as per requirements. With Adobe Photoshop free download, you can split, join, and trim clips. Though the program offers a minimal set of audio tools, you can still adjust the volume percentage, fade in and fade out times, and add reverb. Most importantly, Adobe Photoshop CC comes with multiple resolution options, including 720p, 1080p, and 4K. This lets you work with the program on small and large size screens alike. Since the program is part of the Creative Cloud, you can synchronize everything on multiple devices. The latest version of the program also comes with improved 3D tools, ensuring faster performance and realistic rendering. If you're a beginner with 3D printing, you can work with Adobe Photoshop Download requires a steep learning curve, but has been the preferred choice of designers, techies, businesses, artists, photographers, and content creators. With subtle improvements in every release, the program has remained the most powerful image editing tool in the world. Apart from photo editing, the tool comes with basic video editing features, making this software an excellent choice. While it might be a bit heavy on system resources, newer Windows operating systems shouldn't face any issues.